got a great one today. A lady had a student loan in collections, U.S. Department of Education, and I'm gonna tell you how I helped her. And so I'm gonna cover that real shortly. Stay tuned, we're gonna be right back. So this client again had a student loan. It was in default. It showed in collections. It was U.S. Department of Education. She hasn't paid it for 6 months, 7 months. Her and her husband are looking at starting a trucking company, and she is wondering how she can handle a student loan. They were like $11,000, and I was like, look, you know, to make this become better, call and make the arrangements with them, payment arrangements, and they will actually take it out of collections. So that's what she did. She called. They said they're gonna take it out of collections, put it in good standing, so we can work on those in the report. But as a client, you know, if you have student loans and they're showing negative in your report, we want to address those properly. So that's a good technique you can do with student loans, and it's going to make the account look a lot better, make your scores go up, make the reports look better. Make sure and like down below, comment, share this, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.